Alright, month 4 content creator update. I'm Andrew, ThePieGawd. I do repair content. I am making my own animated series, Everyday Tomfoolery, and we are now the lead of a special needs device repair fund. We did miss month 3 update. Unfortunately, life got busy between work and life. I did go and see my brother get married. Congratulations, bro. Love you. While we were away, we did keep making content, and one of the biggest things we had was we did the first repair in the special needs device repair fund. We helped a family that had a child who was autistic, and they had an iPad that was damaged. This iPad was this child's lifeline, as they called it. The kid is homeschooled and uses it to communicate with all of his friends and his teachers. It's an emotional support device. And if you are special needs or know someone that's special needs, you understand that these devices are very important. That video got a lot of likes, a lot of shares, a lot of saves, and a lot of people reaching out with their stories, talking about their history and thanking me for the service that I provided. We used $100 from our own funds from the content that we've been making to help someone else, and I think we're going to make that a permanent thing we do. So I'm currently looking for repair number 2. We're going to be bringing you more content with repair content. We're going to be bringing more Sands of Fate content. The TikTok has been growing, my YouTube has been growing, and things have been going really well. I want to help bless other people as I become blessed, and I think this repair fund is going to help me help a lot of people. In preparation, I created an intake form. I also started a public repair ledger and then input that first repair. We're going to start tracking this from day 1. My goals are going to be pretty simple. Keep it honest, keep it transparent, and help as many families with special needs children as I can, to keep these devices in their hands to help them keep working, communicating, and thriving, because they need the help. So we took a little bit of time away, but we're back, we're focused, and we have even bigger goals set ahead. I'm going to leave you with a quote. Strive not to be a success, but to be of value. Peace out, guys. Love you.